Hey y'all, today we making Mardi Gras Ambrosia. It's perfect for celebrating during the carnival season, so let's get started. The major components for this drink are St-Germain elderflower liqueur, my favorite, some cognac brandy, some Grand Marnier orange liqueur, and some fresh squeezed lemon juice. The base is topped off with either a chilled sparkling Moscata, this is my favorite Moscata, or some chilled champagne. This is also a favorite. The Bottanura is less than $15 and the Taittinger is around $60. This is not a sponsored video. This is just what we like and wanted to share. In a 6-ounce champagne glass, we prepare the base. We add the elderflower liqueur, the cognac brandy, the Grand Marnier, and the lemon juice. Look how pretty this color is already, but we're going to take it up a notch and add some glitter specifically designed to perk up liquids. It's called Brew Glitter, and this color is going to bring out the beautiful gold base color and add some shimmer. Add about 1/8 teaspoon and stir. Look at that. Tell me that's not meant for Mardi Gras, but you gotta mean it when you say it, yeah. Now top it off with your champagne or Moscata. The fizz in the Moscata and champagne will keep the swirl going, and you want to serve it immediately. And there you have it. Liquid truly fit for the gods. And us, for sure, for sure. What more can I say except make it and give it a try. You won't be disappointed. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and we'll see y'all at the Pygmalion Parade tomorrow. Happy Carnival and laissez les bon temps rouler. See y'all next time.